Hello dear subscribers, hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting. Because of their naturally friendly dispositions, Samoyeds usually make for terrible guard dogs. They don't attack threats, they just kind of smile and bark at them. In Sweden, parents are entitled to almost 480 days or 68 weeks of paid parental leave once a child is born or legally adopted. Some of the coolest innovations that you should know: a hook for carrying bags without destroying your fingers. Remote entryway lock system. Forget keys, lock and unlock your doors from your smartphone. Slam Door offers a door for every member of the house. Nitamo is an advanced home security system that uses facial recognition technology so you can know who is in your home at all times. One-handed bottle opener for the individual that needs to open 2 beers at once. The mountain man Maharana Pratap is one of the strongest warriors India has ever seen. Standing at 7 feet 5 inches, he would carry a 80 kg spear and 2 swords weighing around 208 kg in total. Jackie Chan peacefully passed by a store in Koreatown at age 63. Researchers suggest that pop music lovers are hardworking, high self-esteem, less creative and more uneasy. Sugarcane juice is the most delicious drink to have. However, many of you don't know it expires very fast. It expires after 15 minutes from its extraction. Black color absorbs heat and light and make yourself more hotter, so wear light and neutral colors to avoid the heat. What you eat matters, not when you eat. Don't forget plasma that makes 4 states. The salt in the ocean comes from rock on land and the minerals that are washed into the ocean during rainfall. Water is present but a proper distribution is not. There is only one US state capital without a McDonald's: Vermont. This is how Doordarshan used to telecast election results in 1971. A husband and wife from California who were born on the same day, married for 75 years and died just one day apart at the age of 94. Do not sleep with wet or damp hair. This will weaken the hair follicles and make hair strands brittle. Blow dry in low heat at 9 the roots before bed. Steve Jobs once called Google to tell them that the yellow gradient in the second O of their logo was slightly off. In 2001, a Florida man wrestled a shark out of the water to recover his nephew's arm that had been bitten off. Doctors managed to successfully reattach it. Struggle of a woman to reach her goal. Minister of Japan gives a stuffed squirrel to a Chilean president-elect. Tesla will pay at least 3 months' salary of Ukrainian employees who are asked to return to defend their country against Russia.
We all know that it's a lie.
Japanese engineers broke the world record of fastest internet speed.
You say you will, but then you don't.
If twin boys had children with twin girls, their offspring would genetically be siblings.
I just wanna be happy.
There is a restaurant in New York that employs grandmas instead of chefs. Neptune was the first planet to get its existence predicted by calculations before it was actually seen by a telescope.
Happier tonight.
The miracle pine, only tree that survived Japan's tsunami.
Leave without giving up. But every time they say
Why to keep a relationship private?
I just wanna be happy.
People love to enjoy talking about others' life, and when you have issues in your relationship, people enjoy it more. The more you publicize your relationship, the more vulnerable it becomes with time. There is less pressure on the relationship, and therefore you try to connect more with each other. You should know how to deal with your relationship, because the more people you involve in it, the more messy it becomes. Don't show off your relationship status just to grab the attention of the people, because after a point, it may ruin your connection. You should enjoy moments with each other instead of showing it off to the people who don't even matter. Nowadays, social media break more relationships than build, because you find more mouths to talk about your relation, which may irritate you. According to psychology, you become 10 times more powerful when you pause before reacting. Thanks for watching.